how to hide followers on Facebook. If you want to make sure your followers is hidden both on your iPhone and Android, this video is for you. And to get started, make sure you open your Facebook app. On the top right corner, continue to click on your profile menu. Then among the list of options here, make sure to scroll down a bit until you locate settings and privacy, and continue to click on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Make sure to click on settings. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Then continue to scroll down a bit on this interface until you locate followers and public content, which is right here. Make sure to click on it. Then with this selected, we are now going to make sure our followers is hidden. As you can see, we have who can follow me. You can make it public or have a flexibility of changing the visibility of who can follow me. And when you scroll down a bit, you can also see who can see your followers on timeline, who can see the people, pages and list you follow, and a tons of others. In this case, since we are interested to hide our followers on Facebook, we're going to make sure we change this who can see your followers on Facebook from public to only me. And that's it. You have successfully hidden your followers on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.